Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back. Day 143. Still Kevin Mullins' week of repping the rep. And he posted about the horrific SCOTUS ruling as Tennessee continue to ban gender-affirming care for minors. I include this because I always want to remind people that Democrats do care about the trans community, even though many assume otherwise. John Garamendi called out two of his Republican California colleagues, David Valadao and Kevin Kiley, who are voting in favor of the budget betrayal bill. And he specified how many of their constituents will be losing Medi-Cal. If you live in their districts, they might not care about you, but Garamendi does. Phil Sakuda has today's Democratic Daily Download, and this video is all about SNAP. It already doesn't pay for anything in Hawaii, and without it, these families won't be able to survive. She literally went to the store and bought staple items. Another day where I learned so much from the Democrats' Daily Blueprint. I learned Josh Hawley is very against rural hospitals not being able to survive. I learned that according to this study published in Annals of Internal Medicine, the budget betrayal bill could lead to 16,000 premature unalivings, 100,000 women to miss their mammogram appointments, and more than 1 million Americans to skip medication a year. I learned that yesterday Tim Kaine and Chris Murphy held a people's hearing called The Big Beautiful Betrayal. I learned about a town hall in Charleston, South Carolina, with Senator Mark Kelly and former Representative Gabby Giffords, and state senators Dion Tedder and Ed Sutton, all about the Charleston loophole. I learned that Lucy McBath has been doing videos with various members of Congress in honor of Gun Violence Awareness Month. This one is with Joyce Beatty. 16 state Dem AGs are suing the administration for their decision to distribute a firearm accessory that they previously prohibited. And I learned all about Jay Jones, who is now our nominee for Virginia AG, when Hannah interviewed him. So yeah, you need to watch the Daily Blueprint. Martin Heinrich said that he will make very sure that every single New Mexico vet gets health care regardless of their party affiliation or marital status. I've never seen him this angry. Kathy Castor joined Maxwell Frost at Advent Health Children's Hospital in Frost District for Save Our Hospitals Week. Finally, Chuy Garcia, Delia Ramirez, and Jonathan Jackson were denied entry at Broadview Ice Center. And Chuy explains in this video all about those congressional IDs and why they should automatically gain them entry. If you made it to the end of this post, comment with 7 words to help the algorithm. And bread, because it costs how much in Hawaii? If you watched or read any of the stories, comment with what you learned. And an ID. Because I didn't even know the power of the congressional ID till today, or I guess supposed power. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.